Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Glorenda Microneedle Patch for weight loss. So you might be wondering, what is the Glorenda Microneedle Patch that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Glorenda here is a microneedle weight management patch that the product that the product marketing describes as alternative to oral supplements and injectable weight loss products. Now, the formula is promoted around the ingredients including berberine, moringa, NAD+, delivered through what the company calls an advanced nano microneedle system. Now, according to the website here, or according to Glorenda products information, the patch is marketed for weight management and appetite control, metabolic support, and fat metabolism. Now, the company here also makes claims involving blood sugar, as you can see here now, improved insulin response, stable blood sugar, memory and brain protection, and a lot more. Now, the company also claims it improves your energy, liver health, skin firmness, and other aspects of wellness. So these are claims presented by their website or by the seller here. Now, the company says the microneedle is says that the microneedle here delivers a delivery system is designed to actually release the ingredients through the skin while avoiding while avoiding the digestive system here. It also describes the patch as providing gradual release and promoting absorption of its ingredients or active ingredients here. Now, the website here promotes once daily use and claims that visible changes here or the visible changes appear within 7 days. Again, those results are claims from the product's marketing and shouldn't be treated as guarantees of what an individual user will experience here. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, according to them, you just need to apply one patch once a day and wear it for at least like 4 hours. Now, the patch will then be worn during normal daily activities, exercise, or while sleeping. Now, to apply this to your body, just remove the patch from its backing and place it on clean, dry, hair-free area of the skin, with the website specifically mentioning areas such as the upper arm or abdomen, and just press it lightly to make sure it actually stays in place. Now, if you're going to visit the information that we could see in here, so each box is described as containing 6 patches, and the instruction says not to reuse a patch here. And currently, if you are planning on buying the product or the patches itself, currently they are priced around $15.30 to $50.15 as of this moment, depending on how many pieces that you are or how many boxes that you're going to buy from one of their website here. But yeah, if you're interested with this product here, or if you really want to try it for yourself, and also because this product uses microneedle and is marketed for weight loss and metabolic effects, well, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using it is actually recommended, especially if you take medication or have a medical condition. So doing your own research into the ingredients, delivery system, and the manufacturer's instructions is also recommended before use here. And maybe reading reviews outside your website can actually help you, just to be on the safe side and just to make sure that this product is actually right for you. But that's about it. Find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.